Meaning of gyrate.
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 Gyrate. The term gyrate refers to a circular or spiral movement or motion. It can also mean twisting or turning in a circular or spiral pattern. When an object gyrates, it moves in a circular or spiral path around a central point. This can be seen in many natural phenomena such as the movement of planets and stars in space, the swirling of water down a drain, or the circular motion of a tornado. Gyration can also refer to dance movements where the body is moved in a circular or twisting motion. Overall, gyration is a term that describes circular or spiral movement in various contexts.